look at the structural design of this Albert Hall Museum. So that's the road, and here is a selfie point here, and you can see Albert Hall, and that's a very nice place, and I am loving this place. Um, I remember in my childhood days, I always used to hate going to museums. I never liked visiting museums, but as I grew up, so in my peak adulthood, now I am loving all these historic places, and I wish to visit more places like these. I remember 6 or 7 years ago, I had visited the Palace of Tripura, so I loved that place. So these are utensils. I think they are made of brass and copper. We can see that since I am a Rajasthani, so I am well aware of these. But yeah, I mean, there are some pictures which obviously I cannot show in the video, and these are some stone sculptures from medieval European collection, and these are sculptures, and for everything we have this board, and we can find information regarding every piece of art, every sculpture, every inscription. Look at this beautiful idol made of Lord Buddha, and there's a huge vase made. This says Satsuma vase by Kinko-san. The province of Satsuma on the Japanese island of Kyushu became known for their fine ware. You can read it, and yeah, that's something very exquisite, and this is not something which is very ubiquitous in today's world. Right now it's about 11, and I have to leave before 12 because I have a movie in Raj Mandir. So let's try to explore this place within an hour. These are also some vase made, and the board says it is European pottery. Same on this side, and here the board says Hungarian pottery. Means this belongs to Hungary, not that Bhukawala Hungary, but the European country Hungary. And these are painted tiles. Again, here is a vase made. Where is the board? Okay, here I see the board. Jaipur School of Art and Blue Pottery. I think that this section here are all the collections of potteries. Again, here are some potteries and some, I think, scriptures or yes, something sort of like that. And just look at the dome structure of the ceiling. I mean, completely extravagant. Again, it's a huge vase made. Bombay School of Art. So earlier that was from Jaipur School of Art, and this one is from Bombay School of Art. And I mean, in this place you can find a lot of pottery work, scriptures, inscriptions, sculptures. And these are stone sculptures made. This is Veenadhar Shiva. So that's sculpture of Lord Shiva having Veena. Veena is an classical instrument and in contemporary classical Indian music. And now, at this point of my adulthood, I'm actually enjoying visiting museums and exploring more about our history, our culture, and many things. Because I remember in my childhood days, earlier, I used to hate visiting museums. But that's life, and that's how we progress and keep moving on. Okay, so these are swords, and here you can see the shield. Again, swords and shield, and swords and shield. Yeah. So we can have a look. Helmet and iron chain mail. And here are some shotguns and rifles. Yeah, this reminds me of Fir Hera Fairy movie. And you can see more of these long range rifles and shotguns. These are helmets to protect head of warriors, and again some melee combat weapons. I mean, today's PUBG generation won't relate with it, but this is what our Rajasthani warriors used to fight and conquer many battles. And these are some kind of pots. Most probably they were used for serving alcohol to kings. And that's a hookah, a very old kind of hookah, not like today's vape. And this is something interesting. Okay, so that's a wash basin. Amazing. And again, teapot, hastava, wine flagon, surahi, aftab, hastava. These are all mentioned on the board. So I really suggest all of to visit this place at least once. So these stairs lead all the way to the first floor. These are known as Roshan Dance, and like, I can totally relate because in my nanny's house there are similar kind of Roshan Dance. And we have reached the first floor. Look at this wooden door, and here is a painting. And it's a marble vase made out of marble. Amazing. Okay, let's try visiting this place first. Okay, this is something very nice and unique. I mean, look at these scriptures. Okay, so this corridor reminds me of the first ever 1920 film. And again, there are more of artifacts. This just looks some oddly satisfying to move out of every doorway of this corridor. Again, these are made, I think these are made from lime. Yeah, these are made from lime. Okay, and that's a mummy. Great. This X-ray of mummy was done on March 2011. Nice. Yeah, that looks so horrifying, but also I think some kind of this generates a kind of curiosity in me, but also scares me. Oh, these are the classical music instruments that I was saying. Like we have mandolin, iktar, ravanhatta, sitar, smaller one, chautara, and that's a very old kind of guitar, Israj, and yeah, tabla, mridang, plate tarang. This looks more kind of a xylophone. That's a small dholak, and it's karnai. Okay, so I think that this is similar to shehnai, and yeah, this is veena, which I earlier told you. So this is veena, this is kamaicha, and this is a tanpura. I mean, they look all similar, but they are not same. Every instrument is different. And that's vadyantra. I mean, look at this, the size of this. Here again, sarangi. Yeah, sarangis are very famous in Rajasthani music. Like you can see in the deserts of Pushkar, Jaisalmer, Badmer. There are tribes that always play sarangis, and this is bigul, and this is pungi, which there's a Bollywood song also of Saif Ali Khan, and this is shehnai. So yeah, shehnai is very small, and karnai is very big in size. This is bakia, yeah, that is turai. And this is an Indian pipe bag, and here are ornaments. They are really nice. I mean, just look at the collection. And just look at the shine of the, I think they are made from silver. If I'm not wrong, then they definitely must be made out of silver. And these are, whatever we say, grooming products of that pre independence time, colonial period, or we can say medieval period. So these are ivory artifacts, masses dressing accessories, paper knives, clips, needles, spoons, anti money holders. Nice. Yeah. These are some showpieces. This is where we visited. So I am peeping there from the first floor. Okay, I remember we visited this. We visited from this corridor, but I actually missed all of the artifacts in this section. We headed straightly towards the mummy, but we completely missed this section. Veshbhusha means costume, attire. Okay, amazing. And just look at this one. Okay, so that's a female costume, and it's a male costume. This is Khagra Choli. ग्रामीण महिला की पोशाक काम सुईकारी का. Yeah, so these are Rajasthan embroideries. This is a carriage. In Hindi we say this rath. And okay, so here's the exit. I was about to fall by tripping on these stairs, but I was just barely saved from falling. And again, is a massive painting. And okay, now this is something very nice and very, very pleasant as well as soothing to the eyes. And again, here's a 360-degree video machine. So yeah, everyone is getting their pictures clicked, and that's kind of a demerit when you are on a solo expedition. Like, you don't get anyone to, yeah. This says no entry, but this is India. It was pretty nice exploring this place. I think there are pretty more spots to discover in this Albert Hall Museum. Yes, everybody is busy for getting their pictures clicked. And most probably there might be a pre-wedding shoot going on here. And just looking like a wow. Yeah, so like visiting Albert Hall Museum was completely unexpected. This was not on my plan list. I somehow ended up visiting Albert Hall Museum because earlier my plan was to visit Raj Mandir for watching Masti 4, but somehow I reached earlier on spot. So the movie show will start on 12:30, but right now I have abundant of time left. Yeah, it's 11:23. I hope you can see that. So my show will start on 12:30. So I have nearly about an hour to visit. Okay, I think this must be the exit. And okay, I missed this one. And oh my god, this looks so beautiful and very greatly designed, constructed. Okay, nice. So that's a water cooler point, and here's a garden. You can enjoy time with your family, chit chat with them, and yes, amazing place. Okay, so I will try that next time I come with my group of friends, because today I had decided that I will go on a solo expedition, so I didn't brought anyone along with me. So that's completely all just me.